Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Lumparing Presbyterian School agan reutrek urisau arajar arfuar. Kala pelong ya school concert kum shibenta man pinmi ipsa. Naga benta ke jingrakhe ya ke centenary Jong ni ke school keban selong hau benai no pra arjar arfuar. Hakani ke concert ke belalong hau susutam auditorium. Asak hilang do MDC Jong Lai Mukra Malki constituency uba Fantin Joseph Lakadong. Ringkat kitemen basan Jong Balang Presbyterian Lumparing ikmi kikpa Jong ki khna school bat ki basak khot sngobha. Dak jingshet raham ki khna puli Jong ni school lagi section baper ki bakon thup na du ka kerdan pre primary lower primary bat ki wegi class kila pen i ki jingshat bat ki jingroi hak ni sngi bat hak ba pungkot pat ya ni program dak jing pen bernya na ban ground breakers.
This school has always been close to me. Whenever they invited me, I don't know, I was about to say, no, miss, I cannot attend, please try to understand, but I know it doesn't come out from me. So maybe it's God that has connected us. It's God that has connected me and the school. And I wish this connection will continue. I have not prepared this speech because I know that I'll be graced as a chief guest. But doesn't matter. We are family. I would like to thank each and every student of the school who is going to perform and be a part of this school concert to raise funds for the school. I know it's very difficult to run a school without having a good financial support. So we will continue as a MDC. I'll continue to support the school in whatever ways I can. I remember myself as a father. Just recently, it was 25th death anniversary of my father-in-law. I never expect my daughter to sing because I was too busy. I never see her practice. I never see her. I didn't expect actually. So on that day, on the function, I stood in the corner. I was watching my daughter singing. I almost cried because I didn't expect that the kids now in this generation, they are so confident. They are so confident. They are so brave. So these kind of programs, these kind of functions will help them, will encourage them to show their talent, to be more confident in themselves. Not like us, when we were kids, if you tell us to sing, we would shiver like anything. But in this generation, children are different, completely different from us. So, the moral support of the school, the moral support of the teachers, the encouragement. Imagine 2 years we've been going through hell during the COVID time. Whose exposure was not there. So I really thank the school that we have taken this initiative to organize this kind of program to boost the children, to encourage them. And I like to thank the parents of the parents who have sent their children to the school because they have faith in the school. Continue to have faith in this school like I'm doing it because I have full faith in the school. They've been doing so well. They have been contributing so much to make sure that each and every children in this school grow as a good human being.